As you can see, today we're doing a multichrome eyeliner look and it's shaped like a star. Enjoy the tutorial and let me know what you think in the comments. I'm not going to put any concealer or eye primer on my lid or eye area, so I'm just blending the edges of my foundation. I'm going to use a light brown powder to sketch out the shape of my star. Starting from the center of my upper lash line, I'm just making my first edge of the star, bringing it out, give it a little point. I'm just gonna go in and make this one up here. You can totally bring this point like through your eyebrow. I'm just not quite that daring to I don't know, I usually don't involve my eyebrow in my eye makeup, but if you're feeling a little bit edgy, you can definitely bring that point up higher, but I'm just doing it basically right to the edge of my eyebrow. This one is really satisfying because it comes from the corner of the eye. Now that I've got the outline, I'm filling it all in with black eye primer. I'm using the same type of angled brush because that's how I get the lines to be crisper on the edge. On the other eye, I outlined it first with water-activated eyeliner, which was really just for dramatic effect for my Instagram reel. It didn't really make any difference, so I'm skipping that step on this side. I'm going over the black eye primer with black eyeshadow, again using an angled brush to help create that crisp edge. If you look at the star from this angle, it looks a little bit kind of slanted over, I guess, but when I turn my head this way, you can see it looks a little bit more like a star. I tried to account for the little curvature from my brow bone, but your star might look a little bit different because you might have to kind of do it around your own features, but it's working. Now that I've got all the black down, it's time to really clean up the edges. Any extra black shadow that doesn't need to be there, I'm just wiping it away. Going in with a bit of concealer to fix those smudges. Sometimes I just blend in the fallout and it works fine. I'm using Karla Cosmetics Opal Shadow Potion in the shade Candlelight for my multichrome. I'm just applying this on top of the star. It dries really fast, so I have to work quickly, spread an even layer. I'm being really careful here, but also trying to work fast. Cleaning up the edges with a bit more black eyeshadow. I want the black border to be pretty thin and even. I'm using Karla Cosmetics Beauty Sleep Opal Multichrome. Just patting this gently around my lid. I just want a little bit of shimmer. I'm also applying it to my inner corner. It's kind of like ending, this fifth point on the star, like it's carrying across my lash line into my inner corner. Sharpen this. These are velour lashes in the style Can't Be Tamed. I don't have any gel multichrome eyeliners, so I think I'm just gonna pat a little bit of the pressed multichrome on top of the black in the center of my waterline. It looks really cute. See how shiny it is? Should I change this color behind me? That's just not a relevant color. Yeah, see, I like that better. Forgot to apply mascara over here. Oh, I'm using my Milk Cosmetics contour powder. I feel like I'm rediscovering the world of contour recently, and it's pretty fun. That looks pretty good. I concentrate it in the center of my cheek. Give me that Tim Burton vibe. And before I set my foundation, I want to use, oh my gosh, I hit pan on this. I hit a big old spot of pan right there. This is my Space Age Mars Melter from Kaleidos. I really want more of these. I bought this with my own money because their products looked really cool and I wanted to try them. I'm trying to avoid the star as I'm applying this. I feel like I need a little bit more blush. I'm using ColourPop's Let's Dance powder blush. I just love the packaging of these so much. I think it really does make me reach for them in my collection because the packaging is the same color as the blush, so I can see the color. I love that. I love being able to see the array of colors and choosing which one I want. So I wish that more brands would do this because it's annoying. My face needs to be set. Using my trusty, dusty Laura Mercier translucent powder. I love when I set my foundation and it just, everything comes together. The world just makes sense when I set my foundation. You know what I mean? Oh, don't like that. I feel like I felt like powder in my mouth. Oh, that was gross. Brow gel. This has been my favorite lately, Melt Cosmetics Caffeine Lip Pencil. I'm using my little smudgy brush to smooth that out a bit. This is Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Founder. Kind of a weird name, but also kind of funny because I'm currently rewatching Vampire Diaries. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. I'm glad I went with something a little bit different than I normally do. I've been trying to get a little bit more daring with my lip choices. I do really like the matte, but I gotta add gloss. I just gotta add gloss. I think I want to try this ColourPop lip gloss in the shade Sunshine Required. We'll see if I like it. How could I not like it? Okay, I like it. I like it, Picasso. Here's the finished look. This came out so adorable. Like, look at these little stars. And they're so shiny. I've always wanted to do a star-shaped eyeliner, and this is my first time giving it a shot. I think it looks pretty awesome. As always, please let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you might give this look a try. If you do, please tag me. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!